£59,500. That's the special offer for this Hwacheon QTEX 200MC turn-in centre from Ward High Tech at the moment. The list price on this machine is actually 78k. I'm going to give you a few of the highlights, but as you go into the machine, one of them would be the turret on this machine, which actually is a 10-station turret, and it does have driven tools, but you can see it's a pretty chunky turret for a machine of this size. It's an 8-inch chuck lathe. It's got 51mm bar capacity. We've got 11 kilowatt spindle. It has a 4,500 RPM spindle. It's got 36 meters a minute. Now, what comes with the machine and the special offer, you have the chuck that you see there, you have the a set of soft jaws, you have a parts catcher and a parts arm, you also get 2-off radial and 2-off axial driven tools, and the quick tool setter that you would have seen or you can see in the machine as well. So this is a special offer, £59,500 from Ward High Tech. It's proven quality Hwacheon machines. They're high specification. They also do some very creative finance deals here at Ward High Tech, so you can have this machine pretty much hit the deck in your company ASAP. It's a very small footprint machine, driven by or the use of a FANUC control system. So if you're using FANUC at the moment, you know that you've got compatibility there. Available special offer, £59,500. You need to contact Ward High Tech direct.